This is breaking news with blah, 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 blah. And this bird has broken and died because of Taconé, Daroné, Daconé. Here is our news reviewer, Nicoletta.
Quite shook. I've never seen something so horrific in my life. Honestly, quite shook.
And back to me. Taconé has not been seen for multiple days and hours after this tragic event. We will get back to you once we see him. And by the way, this is the second time that a bird has been murdered by Taconé. This is a tragedy.
It's so
We'll
terrible.
come back to you with a part 2.
So miserable. I hope they catch that scoundrel soon.
That bandito.